So how you make a red wine butter? You take a bit of red wine, you do reduction, and then you put a little bit of fish stock, reduction again, and then you can Monte with butter. So Monte with butter is usually people have a bit difficulties with, but I will show you today, it's quite easy. To Monte a sauce with butter, your liquid needs to be very hot. Then hotter, then easier it will be. As soon as it's hit hot, we can add some fresh butter. The butter of course needs to be cold. And then when the butter is half melted, we're gonna blend it. And then you can see it will turn in a little bit whitish. That's why, meaning your sauce is nice Monte already. And that's it. Easy. So now we just need to check the seasoning with salt and pepper, and my sauce will be ready. Consistency should be a little bit like this. A little bit thick, but not too thick. Just need a little bit more salt, a bit of cracked pepper, and my sauce is ready.